Hey, what's going on? This is Ryan with Ryini Beats, and today in this video, I am going over the best way to sell beats online in 2020 and going forward. I'm going to share with you the strategy, and it's staring right at us. So as we look at this page that I'm on, this is Anno, Domini, and Legion Beats, and they have actually done each over $1 million of selling beats online through one sales funnel, one main offer. And I'm going to share with you my results because I've actually joined with them. And then I want to invite you to join this webinar. They're going to show you all the secrets. And if you purchase through this, and if you join our group, if you join the Midi Money gang, I'm going to hook you up with so many bonuses that are going to take you to the next level. So first, let's go into some of my results. So again, when I first joined, I was making pretty much nothing. And just on ClickFunnels, I've worked my way up to, over $10,000 per month. And again, these results are not always typical, but it's worked for me. Okay. So I'm not saying that everybody is succeeding like this online. And I'm not even at close to the level that Gabe or Anno Domini is, but I'm finding some pretty good results. Okay. I was stuck at like a few $1,000s per month. I was getting so many views online. I was just stuck. And they taught me how to really market my stuff, how to use advertisements, how to create a story, how to reach out through artists to artists. And it's already showing the results. And if you look at my beat stars, you see in the last 90 days, I've done over $40,000. So again, I was stuck at a very low number. Now I'm doing almost $15,000 per month on beat stars. I got the ClickFunnels revenue. I got the YouTube ad revenue. I have royalties coming in. I have all types of stuff coming in. And I want to share with you my secrets as well. So if you want to join the best way to sell beats online and you want to figure that out from the top producers, Anno, Domini, and Legion Gabe, now is the best time because you also got me in your corner and I'm going to hook you up. So check this out. If you join, I'm going to show you what to do. If you join through my link, which is midimoney.com/Ryini, so let's take you over here. So if you join through midimoney.com/Ryini, then I'm personally going to help you out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook you up with 5 of my best guitar loop kits and sample packs. So if you don't know, I am the producer with Ryini Beats and Guitar Prod for producers. And I've actually had multiple guitar instrumentals, guitar samples, beats without beats. So just guitar that have got millions of views. Many of them. And I want to hook you up with my best guitar samples. So again, I've already proven that these samples can go viral. Now imagine if you put a hot beat on top of it. These can be, cool thing is, look, check this out. So besides the guitar sample packs, I'm going to hook you up with my ebook, which is the free traffic keyword Bible. So I'm going to give you the traffic sources. I'm going to tell you how to title your beats. I'm going to tell you how to set up your tags and your description on YouTube to where you can use these samples that I'm going to give you. And you can actually reach out to a huge audience that is going to be super interested in what you have to offer. Most people don't know about this stuff, and this is what I want to do to differentiate yourself, because the only downside about this group is that it's becoming more popular and a lot of people are joining the Midi Money gang. And I want to help you join the best group, but I want to help you differentiate and do even better using some of the tactics that I've used. And I don't go into that group and share all my information. Okay. This is just between us. Okay. So, if that sounds like something you're interested in, I'm also going to share with you 2 of my funnels that I've personally used on successful launches. So again, I want to help you differentiate, right? If you join this group without me, there's a good chance that you might not succeed unless you're able to kind of stay away from everybody, do your own thing, and find success and figure out the tools that have taken me years and years, or I could just give them to you. So what I want you to do, if you're interested in joining the top producers online and having me in your corner personally helping you, like there's no offer like this on the internet. If you ran into this, you're pretty dang lucky right now. Okay. But if you want to do this, you got to join through midimoney.com/Ryini. Okay, that's my affiliate link. It's the same deal. You don't pay any more, but you get me in your corner completely for free. And what I want you to do next is I want you to clear your history and cache before you join midimoney.com/Ryini. I just want to make sure that this works out so I can actually get you the files. So if you don't know how to do that, it's pretty simple. Like if you're on Google Chrome, which I recommend you get because I'm going to tell you to get it so you can use all these analytical tools that are going to help you figure out how to get traffic online. basically you just go to Chrome, clear browsing data, or it's basically just clearing your history. Just make sure that you're clearing the cached images. So you see right here, if I check this, it's not going to work. Uncheck this. Yeah, so you want to make sure you're clearing the cache, clearing the cookies, and then you click clear data. And once you do that, I want you to head over to midimoney.com/Ryini and wait for the webinar. They're going to share with you all these secrets. And even if you don't get anything, I mean, you're going to learn so much from what they have to offer from seeing what I'm going to share with you. And after you purchase, I want you to hit me up at Ryinibeats.com and just put the subject line Midi Money Bonuses. And then I can personally help you along the way as well. And I'm going to send you over all these bonuses. I actually have them already organized and ready for anybody that does this. So if you're interested, join. You have nothing to lose. If you want to check out my review and you want to see a little bit more of my thoughts on Midi Money and my experience, who is this for, who is this not for, I have another video. I'm going to put it in the description. So check out the description if you want more information. And yeah, you got nothing to lose. So again, either check out the video in the description and see more information, or just do what I just said. So clear your cache, join midimoney.com/Ryini. After you purchase and join the group, start going after it. It's all free trials. You get to start everything out for free. Nothing holding you back. There's so much potential. Hit me up with the email. I'm going to hook you up, and then I'll be in the group with you, cheering you on, hoping the best for you. So again, I wish you the best. May you live lucky and stay strong. Talk to you later.